Hello, welcome to Just the Chords. This is part 2 of Benson Boone's Beautiful Things. We are starting right at verse 2, where the meter changes to that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So for verse 2 onward, it's all the same chords from the first half, but let's do a little review. E flat, E flat, G, B flat, B flat major, B flat, D, F. I love it. F major, F, A, C, F major, F, A, C. We're putting the roots in the left hand, single note roots. And the G minor, G, B flat, D, G minor, G, B flat, D. Same 4 chords from the first part, hopefully you watched, in the same order even, but we're just going to feel this pulse different rather than 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Like in verse 1, we're going to immediately go into a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A different meter, we call that. But as long as you're feeling it inside, internally, you will be able to keep up. So we start on the same opening chord as the last pattern, E flat, and we'll go right on to that B flat, and then get into our F to G minor, and then remember we're going to alternate where that G minor will happen like every other time. So here we go on the E flat, feel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To F, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, G minor. E flat, A flat, F, G minor, E flat, B flat, F, F, E flat, B flat, G minor, F. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Keep rocking on that pattern through the next verse, through the next chorus, through the outro. It just keeps rocking, and I know you can do it. Thank you for tuning in to Just the Chords today. Go back and practice that pattern along with part 1 in the separate video, and you will be a master at Beautiful Things by Benson Boone. Be sure to give us a like, a comment, a subscribe, a share. It all helps. Or even check out our membership levels to get early access to awesome videos like these and a slew of members-only videos to shore up your piano skills. I'll see you on the next video. Play on!